Hey guys, today what I want to show you is a really cool app called TouchCast. TouchCast is the way to do videos on your iPad and add different websites and pictures and different cool things. As you can see, I made a title up here so you could see it. Oh, I can make it reappear. There it is again. But it does other kind of cool things. You can actually add a whiteboard effect. So I could be looking at something and I could grab a little marker and I could be adding on to my video by putting little text on top of it. And don't worry, you could still erase it. So it's cool. But you could look at something and highlight it and do different things to it. Now you can do more than that even. You can actually burn up websites. So you can see here, I can see my blog. You can burn up and look at it. You can kind of resize it to do different things. And you can actually scroll on the website as you're talking too. So we can say, hey, go check out Oh My iOS, and you can see some of the cool apps I've recommended. You can also burn up pictures the same way. So here's a picture of a buddy of mine from college. We thought it'd be really funny to park his van in a dumpster. So you can see that comes up. You can also, with the touch of a button, move it so you can see only the picture. Or I could half the screen it, or bring it back down to its original size. Also, one cool effect, and I'm going to warn you, this isn't going to work too well, but you can actually do a green screen effect. Oh, let me hide my picture there. So if I come in here and turn green screen on, I can look like I'm in the Swiss Alps. Oh, and I'm partially transparent. Obviously, this would work much better if you had a more solid color, but you can also adjust the settings. Oh, now I'm disappeared, and now I can come back. You can do those different green screen effects, and you can pick your own pictures as backgrounds and do different things to it. But I just want to show you what TouchCast can do. So, thanks for watching.